As a good tree produces good fruit, even so does a virtuous soul produce pure thoughts. And truthfulness is the foundation of all the virtues of mankind. A very warm and hearty morning to all. This is Minakshi from class 8 standing before you to speak on the topic truthfulness, which means to speak the truth habitually. It is a quality of being honest and not containing or telling any lies. Let us understand with a short story. One day, a woodcutter's axe accidentally fell into a river. The poor woodcutter searched for it in vain. Finally, he burst into tears. On seeing this, an angel appeared before him. The angel dived into the river and came up carrying a golden axe. But the woodcutter did not accept it and said that his axe was made of iron. The angel disappeared and returned with a silver axe. The woodcutter again denied that it was not his axe. The angel once again plunged into the river and soon reappeared with the axe of woodcutter. The poor man greeted the angel with words of profuse thanks and great joy. The angel was impressed by the man's honesty. She gave him with the golden and silver axes in recognition of his truthful nature. Moral: truthfulness brings its own reward. Dear friends, truthfulness always brings a happiness and respect in life. When we tell the truth, the society becomes peaceful and perfect to live. On the other side, liars are disrespectful. People don't like them and always want to keep them away. They may get success, but for a short time. So, dear friends, to earn respect and love, to earn people's belief, we should speak the truth always. And let's promise that we will never tell lie anymore. And here I end. Thank you to all of you.